Most people hear the same thing before visiting Naples. It's chaotic, loud, unpredictable. A city of honking scooters, crowded streets, and energy that feels almost overwhelming. Some travelers arrive curious, others arrive a little cautious, because Naples has a reputation for intensity. But here's the surprising part. Stay in Naples after 10 p.m. and the story of the city quietly changes. The traffic slows, the crowds soften, and the streets begin to feel less like busy roads and more like a shared living room. Families step outside for evening walks. Neighbors lean in their doorways talking across the street. The smell of fresh pizza floats through narrow alleyways glowing under warm yellow lights. And suddenly, the same city people warned you about and feels welcoming, social, and beautifully alive. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. If you believe the best way to understand a city is simply to walk through it, welcome to Tripinn. Tonight, let's discover Naples After Dark. For many cities, night means the day is ending. Restaurants close, shops shut their doors, streets slowly empty. But Naples works differently. Here, night feels like the second half of the day. Around 10 p.m., people begin stepping outside again. Friends meet in small piazzas. Families take relaxed evening walks. Children play under streetlights while conversations drift through the air. It's not rushed, it's not planned. It's simply the natural rhythm of Neapolitan life. Walk through the historic streets of Naples at night, and something becomes clear. People here don't hide indoors. Life happens outside. Doorways become meeting points. Street corners turn into conversation spots. Small cafes remain lively with laughter and late-night espresso. Scooters glide past, weaving naturally through the narrow streets. At first, it might feel chaotic. But after a few minutes, you start to notice something else. A rhythm. Naples isn't disorganized. It's just alive in a very honest way. Here in Naples, art doesn't wait for galleries. Right on the street, a simple sketch turns a moment into a memory. In just a few minutes, the city captures your face, and your night in Naples becomes a piece of art. Right here in the heart of Naples, this small gelato shop draws a steady crowd every night. The glowing sign and bright windows make it impossible to miss, and outside you'll often see people lining up patiently, chatting, laughing, and waiting for their turn. It's the kind of place where the street feels alive with anticipation. Step inside, and the energy continues. Staff moving quickly behind the counter, scooping fresh gelato while locals and visitors choose from a menu full of classic Italian flavors. In Naples, even a simple stop for gelato becomes a lively little moment of the city's nightly rhythm. Walking through streets like this in Naples feels almost cinematic. Narrow alleyways glow with warm lights, red heart decorations hang above, and every few steps you pass locals chatting, laughing, and enjoying the night. It's lively, a little chaotic, but full of character. The kind of street where every corner feels like a small story waiting to unfold. Walking through these narrow streets of Naples at night feels like stepping into the everyday life of the city. Small shops glow under warm lights, balconies hang above the alleyways, and people move slowly from one corner to the next. It's simple, authentic, and full of character, the kind of place where the real Naples quietly reveals itself. For visitors arriving for the first time, Naples can feel overwhelming. The energy is intense. The streets feel crowded. The traffic seems unpredictable. It's easy to look at the surface and assume the city is chaotic. But locals see something completely different. They see neighbors, they see routines. They see the same familiar faces they've seen for years. What appears chaotic to outsiders is simply daily life to the people who live here.
No.
As midnight approaches, Naples doesn't fall silent. Instead, the city settles into a softer rhythm. Restaurants glow warmly along the streets. Friends gather around tables filled with pizza, pasta, and wine. Music drifts from small bars hidden between centuries-old buildings. The energy feels relaxed, comfortable, almost cinematic. And suddenly you realize something unexpected. The city that seemed intimidating during the day feels completely natural at night. Naples After Dark isn't about nightlife or crowds. It's about connection. It's about people sharing space, stories, and time together. The streets become living rooms. The night becomes a gathering. And the city reveals its real personality. Warm, expressive, and deeply human. So the next time someone tells you Naples is chaotic, stay out a little later, walk the streets after 10 p.m. Listen to the conversations echoing through the alleys. Watch families gathering in the piazzas. And you might discover something surprising. Naples isn't chaotic. It's simply a city that refuses to stop living.
At Christmas.
And that's the magic of travel. Sometimes the places that seem the most intense at first turn out to be the ones with the warmest heart. If you enjoyed walking through Naples with us, consider joining our journey here on Tripinn. Until the next adventure, keep exploring with Tripinn.